Right, here's my southern fried cooking now. This is southern fried, or as we call it down here. Hey, what do we call it? Jazzy fry, right?
Yeah.
We call it jazzy fry down here. We got steak, we got onions, we got peppers, we got yellow peppers. We got some sausage up in there. We got some kibasi. You know, we got some salad going on. Well, not saying hillbilly style, but actually looks pretty damn good. I'm cooking pretty good. I'll turn it down a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh, it's good now. Yola, she likes her onions cooked, so I gotta make sure I cook her onions. There's some steak over in here. Some kibasi. This is getting cooked pretty good. I have to put that up so none of that spicy stuff gets in there. They don't like the spicy into the peppers. Anyway, just making this video. And just want to make a little outdoor cooking video, I guess. And we're going to put it on low and just let it simmer now.